There has got to be an easier way. Today I'm going to show you how to fix that problem just with this one piece of black walnut. Here we go. First, you want to trace out something that looks a little bit like a spoon. Now we'll go cut it out on the bandsaw. Now you're going to want to draw a line coming up right here and then intersect that line like this. So now it looks a little bit like a mouth. This part is a little bit tricky because you have to line these cuts up perfectly. I usually don't get it on the first try, so I got really lucky this time. But now let's head over to the belt sander to sand it. And so now we need to make it a little bit smoother and get that untouched part in the middle. And now we'll sand it with some 1500 grit. There we go. Let's head back over to the workbench to put some finish on it. The power of editing. All right, we just have some mineral oil right here, and we're just gonna coat that in it. Now we'll wipe off the excess. All right, now let's see if this works. All right, so we have the top open, and we're just going to line it up just like this with it, and then just push it open. Just like that. See, it busted the seal. Should just be able to take it off just like that. Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see how I make my black walnut spatulas, click right over here. If you want to see my woodworking playlist, click right over here. So, guys, thanks for watching. I will see y'all next time.